Welcome back to Those Vegan Chefs. I'm Stefan, and this channel is dedicated to making you a better vegan cook. Today it's all about vegan Caesar salad, but with a twist. So let's make it. It takes layers of flavor to build a vegan Caesar dressing that tastes amazing, which of course means we have a number of ingredients, including a surprise ingredient, celery seeds, bringing a brand new dimension to the dressing. Gently heating the kelp granules with the celery seeds in extra virgin olive oil enhances the flavor and the boldness of the spices. The finishing touches to the vegan Caesar dressing, nutritional yeast, and fresh lemon juice. Garlicky, cheesy, crunchy. What more do you want out of a crouton? There are two keys to making a perfect crouton. First, cut the crouton into bite-sized pieces. Nobody wants to take the time to cut a crouton in half. The second is adding enough extra virgin olive oil to the diced bread. It helps enable the garlic and the nutritional yeast to stick to the bread. In addition, it creates a very rich and crunchy bite. Sometimes simpler is better. A king oyster mushroom that's sliced and scored. Sweet soy sauce combined with olive oil and poultry seasoning, creating a glaze that is bold and sweet. Broil for 3 to 5 minutes on each side. That's it. Simple, easy, and delicious. I've been frying capers for years. It's a great way to add texture and a large punch of umami and salty brininess to a dish. So why not add a pinch of nutritional yeast to create a crunchy, salty, cheesy bite to our vegan Caesar salad? Cutting the romaine in half lengthwise gives you a large, flat surface to char the lettuce. Start with a heavy cast iron pan over high heat. Place the romaine cut side down first, cooking for 1 to 2 minutes, lightly charring, creating a smoky flavor within the romaine. It's time to assemble our vegan Caesar salad. Start with gently coating the romaine with the Caesar dressing, making sure to get in between all the leaves. We're going to start the plating with a little extra vegan Caesar salad dressing on the plate because why not? Next, we're going to add our charred romaine, followed with a king oyster mushroom, another romaine, and another mushroom, finishing off with the last romaine. We're then going to garnish with our cheesy garlic croutons and our fried capers. We have a salad that's full of bright, bold flavors and textures. I hope you like the twist of charring the romaine. Whether you decide to char it or chop it, totally up to you. But let me know what you decide. You could find a recipe at thoseveganchefs.com. Hit the like and subscribe button. And of course, I'll see you next week.